Welcome all of you. Last time we have seen the video over properties of natural numbers, the first property, closure property. Today we are going to discuss the commutative property of natural numbers. So what is commutative property? It indicates a change of order of operation. So commutative property over addition is a plus b is equal to b plus a, where a and b are natural numbers. For example, if a is equal to 2 and b is equals to 3, then LHS a plus b is equal to 2 plus 3, and which is equal to 5. Now on RHS we have b plus a, which is equal to 3 plus 2, which is equal to 5. So both LHS and RHS, we can see that they have same value. So we can say that commutative property over addition is valid for natural numbers. Now we can see the commutative property over subtraction. Commutative property over subtraction is not valid. That is, a minus b is not always equal to b minus a. So, for example, a is equal to 2 and b is equals to 3, we have LHS a minus b, which is equal to 2 minus 3, and it gives minus 1. Whereas in RHS we have b minus a, which is equal to 3 minus 2, and the answer is 1. So LHS is not equal to RHS here. So we can say that commutative property over subtraction is not possible. It is not valid for natural numbers. Now we will see commutative property over multiplication. It says that a into b is equal to b into a, where a and b are the natural numbers. For example, a is equals to 2 and b is equals to 3. Then LHS becomes a into b, that is 2 into 3, which equals to 6. In RHS we will have b into a, and which is equal to 3 into 2, which equals to 6. Here we can see that LHS and RHS both are equal. So commutative property over multiplication is correct. It is valid for natural numbers. Now next we will see commutative property over division. So for division also, a divided by b is not equal to b divided by a, where a and b are the natural numbers. For example, if we take a equals to 2 and b equals to 10, LHS it becomes a divided by 2, a divided by b, which is equals to 2 divided by 10, and which is equal to 0.5. In RHS we have b divided by a, which is equal to 10 divided by 2, which is equals to 5. So here we can see that LHS and RHS have different values, they are not equal. So commutative property does not apply over the division of natural numbers. Come to in the end of this video. Thank you for watching patiently, and do not forget to like and subscribe my video. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day.